In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect BullX and Phantom. So it's actually quite simple. The first thing you need is of course a BullX account. If you don't have a BullX account yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. You can check out that link, and signing up via my link will save you 10% on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out and sign up using my link. Now from here, what you want to do is simply, once you have an account, hover over this BullX logo on the left and go inside Wallet Manager. Over here, inside Withdraw Wallets, you want to click on Add Wallet, which is this button over here. And from here, you want to select the wallet type to be Solana, which is this right one over here. And you then want to give it a name. So for me, I'm going to just name it Phantom Wallet. There we go. And then you need to enter your wallet address. And the way you do this is by simply opening up your Phantom extension, or of course you can open up the Phantom app on your mobile device or wherever you have it or wherever you use it. And you want to just click on Phantom, log in, and then click on Receive. Inside here, make sure you find your Solana address, which is this one for me over here, and you want to just click on Copy. And after this, you want to enter in this wallet address over here where it says enter wallet address, paste that in and click add wallet. And in a few seconds, as you can see, there we go, your Phantom wallet will be added. So it says over here, you will have to wait 3 hours to activate your wallet, but that's a pretty short time period. So after that, you'll be able to start using it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.